said. As a real estate professional, I am often asked, should I sell my home during the winter? Hi, I am Suma Sridhar, real estate broker serving buyers, sellers and investors in the Bay Area. It used to be that the winter months were the worst months to sell your house due to less than ideal conditions and the buyer's mentality that sellers are more desperate trying to sell their homes during winter and holiday months. However, with the today's market conditions, that no longer holds true. With the shortage of inventory driving the market, listing your home in the winter may work well to your advantage. More likely than not, the buyers that are viewing your property are not just nosy, looky-loos, but rather serious, motivated buyers that need to purchase. Also, with few homes on the market in winter, there is less competition from other sellers. Of course, it is always important to hire an experienced real estate professional who can help market your home to its fullest potential in the winter months. We are the experts in the market. If you would like more information on the current housing market, please reach out to my team. I am Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Let us help you to plan your next move. Give us a jingle. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.